how to cook a lobster. Since I've been knowing myself to be Maxwell and all that shit. Today is gonna be my first time ever cooking a lobster, and I wanted it to be a historical one because I've never ever cooked this crustacean before. I've cooked other stuff like crab and other kind of shit like that, but not a lobster. So yeah, let's get it. Fortunately, I was doing this, trying to cut it, and Zoe is afraid of me cutting shit, so nobody could help me hold the camera while I do it. And I don't have a tripod, so I already cut it open, like slice it from right over the head, all the way down, open, take out all of the poops. Now the next one is gonna be, we have to wash it a little bit. We don't need to wash it if you don't want to wash it, but right now the next one gonna be, we're gonna like parboil it, like steam it a little bit, take it out, and then season it. That is like put the butter, the pepper, and everything, and put it back in there. Yeah, so it's good to cook the lobster not so overcooked. You know, just cook it a little bit so you can be able to enjoy it. Yeah, see ya. In the pot right now, I have my my onions. I got my garlic dust. I also got in here also my black pepper. So I'm gonna be able to put in the real pepper because I like spicy. Put a little spice in it and make it all come together. And steam it a little bit with a little water, just a little water. Check it out, just a little bit to see if we're on course. Yeah, just steaming it a little bit. After it's about to be served, I'm gonna just brush it out with a little butter, and then put cheese on it and put it into the oven. Yeah, just got done with the cheese in it. You don't want the cheese to melt entirely. One has cheese, the other one has no cheese. Because I'm trying to do it with rice and okra. Yeah, with some sausage in here. Man, it's a good day. Life is good.
Vibes. But you knew that.